Can you hear? I increased my voice.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Yes, yes. Next, what, Aliza?
Yes, ma'am.
Aliza, you were raising your hand. Aliza, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, we should draw now only.
Not now. I'll give you it as homework.
Okay.
Not now, okay? Don't draw now. Now I will read, then I'll show you that remaining PPT work I'll show you, then I'll give you as homework. Now all of you stop doing all the work. Just open your EVS course book, page number 1, weather and season. Once I'll read, then again I'll tell the explanation part. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere or air of a place at a particular time. Sometimes the air is hot and sometimes it is cold. We often see bright sunny days, but sometimes there are cloudy or rainy days. The weather of a place changes from day to day. It can be hot, cool, sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, or snowy, depending on where we live. Seasons. When weather remains the same for a long time, we call it as a season. There are five main seasons in India. Seasons in India: summer, rainy or monsoon, autumn, winter, spring. Summer season. It is very hot during summer. April, May, and June are summer months. Hot wind blows during the day. Next page. We do not go outside and prefer to stay indoors. Means we stay indoors at home only. We use fans, coolers, and air conditioners to keep ourselves cool. We wear light colored cotton clothes to keep us comfortable. We like to have cold drinks, ice creams, and juicy fruits such as watermelon, cucumber, and mangoes. Next, rainy and monsoon. Rainy or monsoon season. In the months of July, August, and September, many places in India get rainfall. The sky gets covered with dark clouds. Sometimes lightning and thundering are also common. We wear raincoats and gumboots and carry umbrellas when we go out in the rain. Rainwater collects in puddles. It is fun to float water paper boats in puddles. Sometimes we see a rainbow after it has rained. Turn the page, everyone. Page number 3. Autumn season. Autumn comes after monsoon and before winter. October and November are the autumn months in India. The weather is pleasant during this season. Trees shed their leaves in autumn. Winter season. It, it is very cold during winter. December and January are the coldest months in India. Cold wind blows. It snows in some places. We use heaters or light fires to keep ourselves warm. We wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. We have hot food and drinks such as milk, tea, coffee, and soup in winter. Next one, spring season. In India, the spring months are February and March. It is very pleasant during this time, not too hot nor too cold. Flowers are in full bloom in this season.